welcome to another vlog. Today is Vlogmas day 24. It's Christmas Eve, Sunday, and I just came off the road a while ago. I went to get some last minute gift bags and stuff because I got some presents yesterday from the shipping company that I didn't even think was coming, but I got them. So let me tell you what's on the little agenda for me today. I'm gonna wrap presents. That's number one. I'm going to wrap them and fix up whatever needs to go in the gift bag, put whatever needs to go on the tree, all of that good stuff. Then I am going to also bake some more cookies later, so I'm gonna make the dough and put it down until later, because the cookies were really good. Like the cookies that we did for the cookie decorating with my friends, they were so good, and I had some dough left back and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make some more. So I'm gonna make more. And outside of that, I think those are just the two things I have to do today, and then I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the night and just, you know, watch some more Christmas movies or so. So that's really it. I hope you guys have been having a really good holiday so far. My holiday has been good so far. I'm very thankful for, you know, continuing to see another Christmas, or seeing another Christmas. I'm really thankful for that, and I'm just really happy that I have my family and my friends around and all the important people in my life. I'm really happy about that. So I gotten some early Christmas presents already. I got a present from one of my best friends. She got me a cute little charm from Pandora for my bracelet, and then I also got another present from someone else. I got this cute purse. I just came home with it because I used it today. This is it. Oh, this is the purse. It's so cute, and my favorite color is actually blue. Despite the fact that my entire room is pink, my favorite color is actually blue. Yeah. So got some early Christmas presents already. And I had bought myself a Christmas present, actually. Well, kinda. It's one of the books. It's a book from my best friend's book thing that she does, book business that she has. I bought myself a book to read for over the holiday period. I started it, haven't gotten a chance to finish it yet, but know that like the holiday is winding down, I can finish it like within like a day or two, more than likely. So first, let me show you guys what I got. Just got some more gift bags and such and whatnot. So let me show you. I got this cute gift bag. It's like gold and white and has like gingerbread shapes on there. It's so cute. I saw it and I love it. It's kind of like reflective too. I saw it and I loved it. So yeah, I saw it and I loved it, and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna use you. Then I got another gift bag. It says Merry and Bright on it. It's so cute, right? And it has like the cute little red pepper lights on there with the Christmas colors. They're so nice. Buying gift bags last minute, worst thing. You barely find any. I should have bought them already, but I'm being serious, people. I really didn't get a chance. So I also got the little tissue paper gift for the gift bags, and I also got some gift wrapping paper too, because I have like two little things to wrap. So that's what we're gonna do. Where's my, oh, here's my tape. I'm gonna put the stuffing in the person's own first. Not stuffing, but the tissue paper. In this first bag. These are such cute present bags. Oh, these are so cute. I love them. present bags, or all the presents are in bags or wrapped and in bags and stuff like that. So I'm going to put them underneath the tree now. I'm gonna eat something and then I'm gonna start on the cookie dough. So guys, it is now 8:05. As you can see, I have a little makeup look on. You guys will see that before this vlog, because I just did it not too long ago. So I had some dough left back. I said I was going to remake dough whenever I have no time for that. So I had some dough left back and I was like, you know what, this is at least one portion. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put them together and make like one big ball. That's what I'm gonna do. Put them together, make like one big ball, roll it up, spread my little contour, little flour and such, and roll it up and do a mash for dough. So see, one ball. So I have my oven preheating at the moment. Oven preheating. Here's the cookie sheet I'm gonna use, or I don't even think that that's a cookie pan. So I'm gonna take out some parchment to just put on my sheets. Not too much, like this much. Yeah, that's supposed to go. I'm gonna sprinkle my surface with some flour. And just work, flow in front of me. And just work my dough on my surface. I'm gonna move my camera so you guys can see what I'm So see how many I got just out of like that one piece of dough. So I'm gonna put them in the oven now. Well, I took the cookies out of the oven. They only took like 12 minutes to bake. These are what they look like. I know you guys know, like, okay, let me just take up one because they're gonna fall off. This is the heart, this is the bell, and this is like the little tree, or like the little mistletoe thingy. So all cooled and everything. I was waiting on them to cool, and I also ate something while they were cooling. So I have some royal icing mixture that I had left back from the time me and my friends were doing the decorating. So I'm gonna use some of that to do this because we had a good amount left back. So same colors. White, I had like this whole thing of white left back. This was what was left out of the pink. And then this was the green. Yeah. So let me just get just to wipe them off. I placed them in Ziplocs just to keep them, you know, from spilling out or anything like that. Oh, sprinkles. I always have my sprinkles. Sprinkles. If I had made more royal icing, I would have dyed the colors different, definitely. But I don't know. I have my sprinkles here. I'm gonna do the white. I'm gonna cut the whites. I'm not gonna do. Need a next plate. For them fun. I get a sanitary plate. So I'm gonna do like each of them on a sanitary plate, and then work with it from there. Start off with the green because I'm gonna do the rest of them and then I'll show you guys when they're all finished. Okay guys, I'm all finished. I kind of put it in 2 batches, so one is in the fridge to set and this is the one that set first. I don't want to fall. Okay, here they are. Make your eye up closer. So I did like half and half for the heart, just so cute. I did plain and I did with sprinkles. So I just mixed up the colors. I still have more icing left back, so I can use it as much as I want to if I want to make more or so. But this is it guys, this is it for Vlogmas day 24. It's Christmas Eve night, and now that I'm finished, I am going to watch a movie. I think I'm gonna watch The Nightmare Before Christmas because that's a Christmas Eve movie. So I'm gonna watch that now, and I'm going to eat cookies while I go and watch that. I'm gonna eat one in the meantime because they are good. Yeah, these are good, especially with milk, or if you have like hot tea or something like that. But these are good and they can last long too, so that's also a pro tip as well. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog today, our Christmas Eve vlog. And this is the day before the last day of Vlogmas, and I really want to say thank you guys so much for watching. All of your comments, all of your support, you know, motivation to continue doing it, because sometimes I'm kind of feel like I don't want to finish it, but I'm almost there. I'm almost finished now, and I really did enjoy the experience of doing it. Would I do it again? For sure, definitely. I would definitely do it again. Do it more planned, yes, but I would do it again. I really enjoyed doing vlogs for you guys every day, showing us what we do around the house, all that little stuff. I really enjoyed it, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching us as well. And with no further ado, I'll see you guys in Vlogmas day